4-4, apply distributive property. Number 9 asks us to just simplify. So we have a -6 in front of our parentheses, then we have a -2. Let's deal with the parentheses first. So we're going to now distribute the -6 times the x. Here's the x. We multiply it by the -6. Okay, so that's what it looked like. We add the -6 and it's going to be multiplied to the 2. So here's the 2. And the 6, the -6 is going to be multiplied to it. Then this -2 just comes straight down. -6x. -6 times x is just -6x. -6 times 2 is -12. Then we bring down the -2. -12 and -2 together, they become -14. Negative and a negative is a bigger negative. Okay. Then we bring down the 6x. And this would be our final answer, -6x minus 14. Let's look at B. Okay. There is a -1 that is in front here, in front of the parentheses, that we're going to distribute. So the -1 is going to be multiplied to that 7. So this is what it would look like. Bring down the addition symbol. The -1 is going to be now multiplied into the -6. Okay. Then we bring down the 4n as normal because nothing happens to it. 4n, -1 times -7 is -7. -1 times -6n is a +6n. Notice that this and this are like terms, so this becomes 10n. Nothing happens to that -7. This would be your final answer, 10n minus 7. C. There is this -7 that is in front of the parentheses that we're going to distribute. So you have the -7, then we're going to have the parentheses -3 that it's distributed into. We bring down an addition symbol. The -7 is going to be multiplied to the -6x. So here's the -6x. Then we want to distribute that -7 towards it. Then we want to bring this -3 down. Okay, bring down the -3. -7 times -3 is +21. -7 times -6x is a positive, because a negative times a negative is a positive, 42x. We see some like terms here, the -3 and the 21. That should be, I think, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah. So that is 18. Bring down the plus 42x. Okay. Let me double check here. That looks right. That is a +21. That is a +42x. Good. Okay. Always double check your work. Okay. We have a -5 in front of the parentheses, so we have to now distribute. The -5 is going to be distributed into the a term here. Then the -5 is going to be distributed to the -6. So it's always an addition. -5, -6 here. We bring down that -2a like normal. -5 times a, -5a. -5 times -6 is +30. Negative times a negative is a positive. And then bring down the -2a. Okay, these are like terms and they can combine. -5a and -2a becomes -7a. Bring down the +30. That would be your complete answer here. Okay, so there you go. This is the number 9, which requires you just to simplify. You have to distribute first, then you combine like terms afterwards.